Recall that early in the year, a federal high court convicted and sentenced MARYAM SANDA'S to death by hanging for killing her husband. Weeks later, MARYAM SANDA'S appealed the judgment. And just last week, the appeal was struck out. MARYAM SANDA'S has only one more shot for freedom at the Supreme Court. What's the reaction on the street? Let's find out.
The courts in general are supposed to defend the common Nigerians. But you find out that what is happening today in Nigeria, the courts are playing politics when it comes to human life. I believe they should give her a fair hearing whereby they look into the matter again, try to retrace, try to do more investigation on what happened, what actually happened. Since she went to the court to file an appeal, I would suggest if the appeal, will reconsider her, try to grant her a bail so that she can go on with her life.
When it comes to cases like murder, justice should be served. But it's not really about what you and I feel or what everybody feel. We are guided by principles in this life, and those principles are principles of God. And he has said in his word that to err is human and to forgive divine. Yes, we all make mistakes. We all make silly mistakes that can cost us a lot. I just feel taking a life will not even, it won't really change anything. Rather, what message are we passing across to people? You understand? So, I think she should probably be given a jail term and serve and come out. It's no big deal. I know it hurts. It hurts the family of the man she killed, but she is also a part of the family. I think she has a baby also, right? You should think, how would they feel if their own son's child grows up without a mother? So I think she should be pardoned.
According to the law of the Islam, if somebody kill a soul, whether a non or a non-Muslim, the penalty for that person is death sentence. So, but for this modern world, actually some certain things have to be given pardon, or I can say have to be at least adjust. It's a very painful something for you to kill your husband just because of your selfish interests. I will not support her for that hanging, actually.
So she should be pardoned?
Yeah, she should be given pardon.
In the modern way?
In the modern way, yeah.
But according to Islam?
She's supposed to be killed.
Well, as a girl, firstly, I'll be sorry for my actions because nothing on earth should warrant a lady into taking her husband's life. And if I am sentenced to death, I'll ask God for mercy first, because whenever you bring God into the situation, maybe he may appear to the judges over the night and then an appeal will be made on your behalf. But it is not your right, or you wouldn't be feeling that you have to be alive while your husband is laid to rest. For taking somebody else's life, just like the Bible said, it said an eye for an eye. But I feel that the court should also temper justice with mercy, because a wrong cannot correct wrong.
The law will definitely take its course, but to me, I feel that since she has shown remorse for her actions, I think she should be pardoned.
The law itself is blind. That's why Lady Justice is blind. And the anchor that she's holding is balanced, means equal justice, equity to everybody. So if she is guilty, then the court should do the right at the right time. And for her killing her husband, that is murder. I'm not a lawyer, I cannot speak on behalf of the court, but as a Nigerian and as someone that's agitating for justice and change in Nigeria, that means change should begin with themselves, the judiciary, because they are the one that will show us the way to follow. Then if they can keep to the law, no problem. Then secondly, the law itself is blind, but when you come to those that make the law, they are human, they have human sympathy. They can temper justice with mercy.
What's your reaction as a Nigerian? Do you think the courts are doing the right job, or do you think justice should be